I have to touch this topic before it gets lost in the Christmas spirits. West Indies mystery spinner Sonny Lorraine named to the West Indies T20 squad for the series in New Zealand. But before the plane could have taken off, we're hearing that Sonny Lorraine is unavailable and will not make the trip due to personal reasons. Now, what the devil kind of personal reasons this man talk about? This is a professional cricketer, and you get called up to international duty, and you decline for personal reasons? This man is insulting our intelligence. I said it already, and I'm going to say it again. A lot of these players, especially these Trinidadians, either don't want to play any at all, or want to play for the West Indies at their own convenience. Same thing with Darren Bravo. Man are threatened to sue the West Indies Cricket Board for leaving him out of the team. And when the board extend the olive branch and select him to play, he too opts out for personal reasons. Darren Bravo, the last time he got selected, said thanks, but no thanks. He's not fit enough to return to West Indies duty. So it's them I call the shots, and not the West Indies board or the West Indies selectors. I keep telling you all that the problems of West Indies cricket have much more to do with the mentality and the headspace of the current crop of players than the actions or inactions of the West Indies Cricket Board. Every day people get up and talk about the board, the board, the board, the board. Who not obsessed with board? Who not can't talk? All right, if you not can't talk, say board. Who don't want more board? Who don't want more board? Say board, I don't want this though. Say board.